Hi everyone, I'm Emily and I'm here with Ashley and we're the engineering chicks, and today we're going to go over some code that we've transferred over to MATLAB from Maple that goes through sampling from a normal distribution with a mean of 0 and a sigma of 1 using the random walk algorithm. And so we've created this function that takes the initial starting point, which is x naught, and then it takes a, which is the support of the function, and then the number of iterations you want to run it, and it kicks out b, and it kicks out the number of iterations it takes to get there. So Ashley is going to go in depth on our code and kind of run it for you, and we can check out our results.
So like Emily said, this function, in the original code, the b and the iteration were one matrix, but it was easier in here just to split it up, b being your variance and then iteration being the number of the iteration that you ran through. So there are three parts to this problem. So first, we were told to run it with these variables here. So your x naught starts off as -4, a is 0.5, and then your iterations are 500. So we run that, and that gets us this graph here, and it looks very similar to like what we have in the book. The book starts off with a seed, and we're not using that seed, so our numbers are going to be a little different, but it's accomplishing the same thing. So for the second part, we're doing the same thing, we're just changing the value of a. So this one, it makes it look quite different. Again, it's very similar looking to what we have in the book, but they're using a seed and we're not here. And then finally, this last one, keeping everything the same except changing the number of iterations here. And then we're plotting this in a histogram. So we're plotting all the variates, and as they showed, they look like the normal distribution because that's where they're coming from. And we also printed out the mean here and the standard deviation. These are similar to what the book has, but again, a little different because we're not using the same seed as them. So this was just a quick way to show you how you can use random walk and sampling from a normal distribution using MCNC or Markov Chain Monte Carlo. So that's all we have for you today. Thanks for watching.